Since my last video, we've been plugging along, fixing a few things, and we have been taking it to some car shows. I've got it started and running pretty good, but it's got a long ways to go on my tune. If a guy knew what he was doing, it wouldn't take that long, but that's part of my learning curve, so that's the way she goes. Well, we took it to the Autorama down at Detroit, or Autorama Extreme, and this is what we come home with. This is my buddy Jim. He's the one that's in charge of finesse and the body work and making it look pretty. I'm more the chief engineer, financier, and the guy with the dream. A few of the things we've done that's really helped the situation. We wrapped the exhaust, and I didn't have a clue, but you can buy 6-inch wide header wrap, and we just run it the other way, and it absolutely revolutionized how much under the hood temperature we have, so that seems to be under control now. And we added electric fans to my radiators in front. Well, I'm going to run them off my 24 volt. I'm going to show you a video here of my car, and I'm going to call it baby steps because that's exactly what it is. I'm not the kind of guy that wants to go put his foot right through it first. I kind of want to take baby steps, and that's what we're doing around the yard here. But then we did have a chance to drive it some on the road to the Charlton Park Car Show, and that's the next few videos. And well, we come home with the best motor from Charlton Park, so that was fun. And we're going to keep working on our tune, but there's kind of a special treat because some phoebes nested on one of the fluorescent lights in my barn, and we've got to watch them feed their babies and sit on the eggs. And today the babies are doing their pre-flight checks, so they'll be leaving this afternoon. I'm going to update some videos eventually with burnouts and all that kind of neat stuff. But once I get done with my baby steps, then I'm going to start running. So thanks.